Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last bout of the afternoon. Before I introduce your boxers, I'd like you to join me in just thanking our officials at ringside who've come up to do this in their own time. I'd like to thank the boxers, the coaches, and everyone for coming. So thank you all, and we'll see you for the next one. On with the action. So our 14th and final contest of the evening, or the day, is at 64 kilograms, and it's a senior bout. 3 2-minute rounds between. Boxing out of the red corner, representing Bodner, James Bird. And across the ring from him, boxing out of Camberley, we have Marcellus Williams. Bird, red corner. Williams, blue. 3 2-minute rounds. Referee for the final time this afternoon, Mr. John Green.
All the time. One and off. You want just one was next, James? We need James. Here we go. Take him under that pressure. Looks like he's going to beat the trigger to fire rear out. What next? Keep tapping, keep justice. Look where the target's open. Look where that big target is, James. Good boy. 1, 2. That's it. What next, James? Oh, yeah, what next? Lovely. Good movement. Jack Cross. Lovely movement. Good cover. What next now? There you go. Keep moving. Good boy. Make the jab over there. What next? Find the target better with that rear hand. What next, James? Have a look at the jab. What next? What next? Yes, see, he's got me. Don't see it. What next? There we go. There we go. Away from the rear hand. Good boy. Now work. What next? James, steps towards the right. Good boy. Again. Good cover. Yes. Good. When he stands up, he gets around like this. Beautiful shot. Beautiful. What's that, James? What next? Chin down. What next? Just be safe off. What next? Catch up again. Always, what next? Good. Good boy, Charlie. Push. What next, James? Yes, James. Yes, James. Tight up, hold in, get him inside. On your head, no cloudy foot. Yes, that's it. He's going to work. That's it. You're walking backwards, right? Good first. Get James. Right, snatch it left right. Let's go. Get it first. Body first. Body first, James. Good, James. Carry on the worst up. Body first. Body first. Over and right. Over and right. That's right. Yes. Yes. 2-8. That works. Stop. Great. Foul, James. Two cards, James. Folks, 1v1. You start. Brilliant work. Now what? Next? Covered. Now fight back. 2-8. And again. Yes. Beautiful. What next? What next? So it's about what comes next. Kick that one. Score, son. He's coming down. Bring him up, James. Oh! Let's jump first, James. Keep your head up, Marcellus. You first. 2-8. That's right. 2-8. What? 2-8. Yes, body up. Push it up, yes. Get the liver, Marcellus. You need to go straight shot. For the roll, Marcellus. Yes. 2B. 2B, mate. 2B. Get the liver. 2B, Marcellus. Come on. Liver. 2 liver. Oh! Yes. Now to get liver. 2 liver, Marcellus. 2 liver, Marcellus. Get the liver shot, Marcellus. Deliver. 2 liver. Let's go body first. Work that liver, mate. Body go. Let's go. Now Marcellus. Work that body, James. Liver. Yes. Liver shot, Marcellus. Liver. Work the body. Uppercut. Tuck your head and work. Put your head, mate. Let's go. Liver. What two? Yes. Liver, Marcellus. Yes. That's a 6. Finish, Marcellus. Go. You first, James. Let's go down. Down, mate. Yeah. Come on. Good shot. Up. You first. Yes. Liver. Uppercut. Go, James. Yes. Go, James. That's 2 James. Go. What next? 1, 2. Oh, yes. Liver. One next. Yeah, again, James. On him, Marcellus. Don't give it to him. Do not give it to him, Marcellus. What next? And again. What next? You guys. What next? Uppercut. Now go. Go to the Marcellus. Go, Marcellus. Go. Come on now.
They weren't taken prisoners, were they? Everything left in the ring, and again, Kate, our official in charge, has asked if we can congratulate both boxers on our World Court contest. So, 3 hard rounds. We go to the judges' scorecards. We have a 3-2 split decision. Sorry, 4-1 split decision. Your winner, James Bird, red corner.